May bagong balita si To Market Boss Sid. Ayaw talaga patinag nito si To Market ah. Parang halos every other day naglalabas ng balita ah. Alright guys, so malinaw na malinaw. Sabi dito, we are happy to announce that another 30% of total supply will be airdropped to users ahead of listing. So to qualify guys, at least dapat silver 1 tayo ha, yung level or yung rank natin. So mangyayari itong snapshot na to by December 18. So today is December 5. Meron pa tayong 13 days to comply. So guys, tama pala yung mga kasama natin sa comment section. So hindi nga talaga total yung natanggap natin last time. So kung 30% yun, and this time, another 30%. So that's 60%. So meron pa tayo remaining na 40% for sa final listing niya. So I think the remaining 40% will be distributed on or before December 20. Kasi yun na yung final listing natin. So ito guys, bago lang to sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo na. Sabi dito guys, yung una, release the cheaters. November 14 yan. Early adopters, November 26. Get Toma invitations, November 29. Then ito na yung mga coming soon yan. So guys, konting tulog na lang yan. So kung nag-grind pa din kayo niyan, workout nyo lang. Sayang, may 15 days pa tayo. So good luck. Sana maging maganda at mayroon tayong panghanda.